In front of me is REALME GT 60, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Theme Store app and tapping on Home at the bottom left corner. Then select Themes category at the top and click on the best theme for you. You can also click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. Or select category at the bottom and click on themes here, to select one of those categories and find a perfect theme. Either way, when you're ready, click on the chosen one. Select Apply and wait. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, this time you need to access Devices Settings. Scroll down to reach Home Screen, Wallpaper and Style. Hit Themes section and tap on one of your default ones to apply it. Then hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!